Good morning. It is July 2nd. It's almost the 4th of July here in the crazy times we are living in of 2020. I'm down here in the corner, but I'm looking up here, so it feels a little weird. I wanted to get out some numbers as I try to dedicate to do this each month. And I feel like information is most important, accurate information as to what you might know as a property owner here in town or somebody looking to buy, just what we're seeing here in Athens. So I took a look at the month of June solely, and we only looked at the numbers for June. Didn't go back the whole year, and we compared them again to 2019's month of June to this year's month of June. And for the most part, we're still seeing some good things in Athens real estate, which we hope continues. But if you look at the screen here, I'll kind of go over some things. So as I mentioned, we're talking about the last 30 days of activity in 2019 versus 2020, specifically looking at Athens, Clarke County, and Oconee County, sort of trying to tighten up the market a little bit. And last year, 2020, as you know, excuse me, last year, 2019, as you know, was a great year in real estate. Lots of activity. Home values went up. Lots of people moved into our area. We saw in the month of June 147 homes go under contract. Fantastic. List price at 298 was the average, selling around 292. Keep in mind, this is going to include a condo on the lower end, all the way up to $1 million home. So big range, and this is just where it lands in the middle. The days on market, averaging about 2 months, 51 days. And then let's come back to this year. As you know, we sort of reopened. We're experiencing a little bit of rising cases right now. And but overall, we're just seeing more precautions being taken, obviously a lot more mask wearing. In fact, Clarke County is probably going to implement a restriction next week that would make you wear a mask in public. I would expect that to pass. We'll have to see. We'll keep you updated. But to the same point, though, we're still seeing good numbers. So let me go over this for the last month of June here. Now, we saw homes go under contract 199, which was up almost 30% from last year, 147 to 199. Our list price is up 4% from 298 to 309. And our average sold price is just over 300 now, and up another 4%, days on market on par. So two things to note. That appreciation that we're seeing been pretty in keeping with what we've seen over the normal markets over 17, 18, and 19. So that's a great sign to see right here. This is also a good sign. But we have one still negative narrative in here that's going to continue to drive these prices up. And that is we don't have enough product coming to market to keep up. So we do have listings that are coming out. Some people are starting to put their houses on the market, obeying guidelines and things like that. But we don't have enough of the right things that we have a lot of buyers looking for. Unfortunately, we do have some product that's over 700 or in that ballpark. Great homes that are going to sell, but the amount of buyers there are less than what we have under 500. So that's what I want to talk about on the next page before we close out this little update, is the trends in our market right now. That's what we're going to go over. So obviously, as you can see, we've seen a return of activity on the showings. We're seeing more units go under contract than we did back in April and March. Some price points, we're seeing multiple offers. I have properties that might have set on the market from March and April. And once we got into June, boom, we had 3 people that wanted it. And that's sort of what we've seen a lot of properties. We have experienced literally a V. I'll try to do it there. I can't do it. Whatever. We have seen it in the Athens real estate market. I hope we continue to see it. The unknown is going to be, what does August look like, September and October, because we knew what to expect in the years past. We don't really know what it's going to look like now. So these price points are seeing some multiple offers under 500. The one issue we have, as I just alluded to, we don't have enough listings in some areas. So the biggest needs in our market, and I'm speaking to you, you may not be looking to buy or sell right now. I'm just trying to keep you informed. But you may know somebody that is thinking about it, it's on the fence, unsure what to do. That's a lot of what's going on. We're trying to be the information people to you to give you the most accurate insight in the market so you can make the most educated decision for yourself. And what we really need in this market right now, we need homes under 550, under 500. We have interest rates at 3% or better in some cases. So this has increased the buying power for a lot of people. Condos. I have recently personally raised the value of condos at 2 complexes and in the process of doing it at another one. So we have condo need. There are pent up condo buyers of these UGA parents. We don't know what this fall is going to look like, but I will tell you we're seeing verbos book up for parents that are coming to move their kids. the kids are coming back. It's just a matter of what that looks like. I imagine a lot of parents are probably sick of having everybody at home. But so we need condos. We need homes under 500. And lastly, investment in rental properties. We saw this market slow down. Now it's back. We have people looking. And these are the things that if you've got something you're thinking of selling, let us know. You got a friend that you think could use some help, just tell them to call us. We don't have to call him, but we need listings. We need that now. And I think we're going to see a fall that we're going to have more activity than we would traditionally see. So please, reach out to anybody here at 5 Market or myself, Scott Talley. And have a great 4th of July. Remember, it is great to be an American. We live in a very fortunate place, and we are all blessed to have the opportunities given to us. So happy 4th of July. Hope you have a great summer.